know what most moms get wrong when starting an online business? They think success starts with strategy, but it actually starts with belief. I used to think I needed perfect posts, be polished like a supermodel, and all the tech figured out. But the truth is, people don't buy what you sell. They buy why you sell it. Your audience can feel your energy before they ever read your caption. When you truly believe in the solution you have to offer, that belief is magic. It's what turns your message into momentum. So, Mom, before you hit posts today, ask yourself, do I believe in what I'm sharing? Because your belief is the first step to attracting the right people into your world. Let me know in the comments, do you believe in the solution you have to offer? And if not, why do you doubt?